If you are looking for vacuums and cleaners, here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like. Just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, the Shark Iron Robot Vacuum R85. With Smart Sense Navigation 2.0 and a multi-axis bumper for advanced object detection. Makes it easy to stay ahead of everyday upkeep in your home, by Shark. Number 2, the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop. Provides superior steam cleaning with a fresh scent, by Bissell. Number 3. For more great home decor ideas, click the link below. Number 4, the Miele Compact C1 Turbo Clean. Is a powerful vacuum in a space-saving design, by Miele. Number 5, by Shark. This is one of many great products we got in stored for you. Number 6, by Bissell. Get these great online offers now. Click this banner for real-time deals and updates. Number 7, by Dyson. Number 8. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon. Number 9, by Shark Ninja. Number 10, the Shark Steam Pocket Mop. Turns ordinary water into superheated steam to remove everyday dirt and grime that other mops leave behind.